What is up, guys? Welcome for Life here, and we're going to be building Phil. For any of you who are on Car Throttle, you will get that reference. No, we're not exactly going to be building Phil. We're going to be using Phil for this build, but we're not going to be building Phil specifically. We're going to be turning Phil into a race car. For those of you who don't get the hardcore references right now, I feel so sorry for you. Because honestly, these references are brilliant. So yeah, now, I did say in the S14 episode that I would be keeping these in their respective classes. Most of the time. Sometimes I will put it to, one specific class. So for the Miata, we're going to be going to S class. Now, also, not all the cars are going to be using the same rims. Can I just clarify that? So yeah, just so that they don't all look alike. They gotta have some individuality. Individuality. You get the point. You get what I'm trying to say. They have to be different. So we're gonna use some of the lighter rims in the game that I know of in this as well. Sorry, in this as well. So yeah. So that's from so. And, so any of you that are from car throttle or no car throttle, yeah, this is Phil. So, we're going to be turning him into a race car right now. So, yeah, this is how I'd build him into a race car anyway. So, yeah. We're not always going to do side skirts, but sometimes. Okay, now, that is not enough power for a B-class car. Can I say that straight away? That is nowhere near enough. So, we're going to centrifugal supercharge him. Make him a bit louder. Speak up! Make him breathe better. Oh, mess. Hmm. I think we're gonna take some handling bits off. Give myself a bit more PI to play with. Because this is gonna be more of a straight line build, because he is light and he handles good. Sorry, it handles light and it's light and it handles good. But the fact of the matter is this. It's not enough power. I'm gonna have to put more power into it for it to be even remotely fair. Yes, I can. So yeah, this will be more of a straight line build, but that's why we have the arrow on. So if I can't have tires, I'll at least have arrow on my side. I'm trying to see what will give me the most power. That will, as of now. I could do an intercooler, but I don't want to add weight. In fact, I could just do this and get rid of weight. That won't do anything. I'll dump a bit of weight. Okay. I'm tempted to get as much power as the X15 had, but I don't think I am. So we're going to see if I can. No, this will add weight, but I gotta get something other than standard tires on this thing. I've just gotta. Hmm. Do I have flywheel on? Okay, no flywheel. Mess. I don't think I can get that PI in, so we'll just re-add everything I took off and see if I can get anything else on top of that in. Okay. Well, there you go. Okay, and I'm not gonna go as radical as I did with the Sylvia, and I don't think I'm gonna cut it out this time. So we're just gonna make them red and change the wheel color as well. I believe that is the orange. I can't remember. I think it does. Okay, yeah. And what is this? Darker. Yeah, there we go. Okay, fill everyone. There you go. Okay, so we are now going to go back. Oh man, I gotta teleport. Uh, shouldn't take too long. Sorry, thought I saw something. Okay. So yeah, we shall see how fast this is. And no, I'm not going to be recording times for this. This is just going to be a sort of my recommendation on how I build these cars. So yeah, this is more of a speed build with a bit of handling, with quite a lot of handling parts on it. So yeah. That boost! That boost though. I mean, you hear that boost! And I missed something. Hold on. Game glitched! Nope, hold on. I want to see the headlights go down. Aww. That's annoying. So it may not be the fastest in a straight line again. But it's... Okay, okay, there we go. Yeah, it may not be as fast in a straight line, but... I'm glad that we put more of a handle with the line. Listen to that whine, though! It sounds so good. Okay, so we're gonna go to Sister Own or Sister On, whoever, who you ask or whatever, and we're gonna see how it does. And Sylvia did good. That handled good. It was a bit. Come on, go faster, but it was good. So we shall see how the Miata fares, and where the mess am I? A bit further than last time, but that should be good. I'm gonna leave it first. Okay. No torque! I'll tell you what though. That boost comes on really high in the rev range. But it comes on just so hard. Oh, it's still a bit slidey. I'm so sorry, Phil. I was so hoping I could leave it, leave it in third for that, but I couldn't. Great. It's so bright! Okay. Come on. You can just brake so late with this. I tried to zoom in there. Playing too much Minecraft. Yes! Goodbye! That wasn't bad, that was really good. There may not be a lot of torque, but there is a good amount of speed. Oh! That's brilliant. Flat out! Whoa! 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 Wide! 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 Oh gosh! I was trying to carry as much speed as I could, and that almost ended terribly. Come on. I can say this though, I don't like the mirrors. Those are tiny and a bit close, actually. Come on. This is rocketing along. I'd say just as fast as the Sylvia was. Oh, sorry, Phil. And done. That was fun. That was brilliant. Yeah, this car is really good. This is also a good racing car, and if you guys want to copy my setup, or, well, not setup, but my build, just pause the video, watch, and make it while you're watching. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this build, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also, if any of you are for Car Throttle, and if you know Alex personally, please link this video and give it to him. Oh my gosh, that would be brilliant. Anyway, guys, I will see you all later in the next car build. I don't know what I'm building. I really don't.